Come on, hard. Out. Lady. Let's go, lady. Lady. Get off of him. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, we need that lead.
Leave it.
They
know. Just put it down, Jimmy. Hey, come on, got a hug.
Yeah. Good looking one.
Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. It's caught. It's caught. You knew that. It's caught. Hey, you know.
That's time for another knife dispatch.
Yeah.
Make it nice and clean.
Yo! Come
Hey,
on!
where you guys
Come
at?
on! Piggy!
Got a pig for you over here.
Here! Over here!
Walk down the fence.
No, it's still alive. We're waiting on you
Keep
guys.
coming!
Waiting on you guys. Come on!
Quit poaching back there!
All right.
Right here.
Right here.
Whoa. Straight up.
Nice cutters. I want those teeth.
Not bad for his little. Right here. Come on, you gotta kill it.
That thing's what, 6 months, 8 months?
It's not very big, yeah. Maybe 8.
Big old nuts.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Those little teeth right there flay you open.
Yeah. Oh, I know, and they'll grind your finger. If they get in the molars, fuck,
Yeah.
they'll break the bones, fucking everything. Like a pit bull bite.
Come on, son.
No, I don't think the bow's gonna work.
You missed the action, son.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
Right here. Come over here. Come behind me.
Come over here.
Hit him right.
And try to keep it so that we can watch the action. No, hold on. Yeah, man. No, stick it in again, wiggle it.
No, you got it perfect.
Yeah, you got it. That's the pump.
That'll do it.
Have you done this before?
Hey, son. Couple times.
That was a sure shot. Hey, man, I'll get a picture of the guide there. Yeah, man. What's your name again?
Paul.
Paul, right on. My brother's name. Fucking A. Good job, man.
You want to get a picture with it?
Takes about a few minutes when she's out.
You know what it is? It's on safety.
Yeah.
Actually, just
Don't worry.
Where's Jason?
ready when you are.
Oh, there we go.
Jason!
Got it. You want another one?
Yeah. No. Hang on, man. You stay there. Stay there. I need to go on.
Yeah, everybody got a picture.
My buddy. Yeah, man.
Thanks, man.
Where did Jason go to the swamp?
I have no idea. I know he disappeared. Yeah, he circled all the way around me.
I think I'm gonna have that head mounted.
Yeah.
Just for the hell of it. $250.
Yeah?
Hey guys, you want to hang out here? I'll go bring the truck.
All right.
I don't want to miss action.
Oh, man, nice. Look at those teeth.
Yeah.
I bet that hog was like, God damn, where did he come from?
338 Magnum, man. This thing ain't heavy, you know?
Nah, it's not, man.
It's light.
Is it 338 or 300?
300.
Oh, it's a 300.
Yeah.
111, Savage 111.
I just had
Huh?
did a complete circle around him.
Did it?
Oh, y'all seen it?
I seen it. Jimmy was chasing him.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, Jimmy-
Are you chambered, bro?
Yeah, that's why I said go.
broke loose.
Yeah,
Let me
you
just-
might want to pull
And
that
came
out.
up and he went to the fence line and came back and I seen him starting.
Watch those soft points. What do you got? Yeah, you got soft points.
Hornady.
You gotta watch them. That's my bullet of preference, man.
The Hornady.
Yeah, I like partitions, you know, Nosler, partition. Any partition bullets are good.
It's a good thing I didn't have that 180 grain.
Yo, Jason! Woo!
The only one that got to drop blood.
He's taking a sweet old time.
Yes, you know, man.